lots of grumbling in my tummy. There's one thing I know will make me feel better. Oodles and oodles of noodly noodles. Oodles and oodles of noodly noodles. Oodles and oodles of noodles for me. Oodles and oodles of noodly noodles. All I want to eat are noodles. Soon it will be lunch, and I can hardly wait. All day I've been dreaming of noodly noodles, macaroni, tortellini, ravioli, and ziti, fusilli, linguine, and fettuccine. Oodles and oodles of noodly noodles. Oodles and oodles of noodles for me. Oodles and oodles of noodly noodles. All I want to eat are noodles. Now it's time for dinner, but I'm not really hungry. All those little noodles grew in my tummy. But don't you worry now, because I have a plan. Give me